Welcome to ONS Technical Sessions, the digital version. My name is Anne Blomberg, and I am Project Manager at the ONS Foundation. Every second year, we gather tech leaders of the energy industry in our ONS Technical Committee to discuss what are the main technical challenges to be solved in the years to come to deliver on safety, on sustainability, and on profitability. Today, the subject is subsea technology, and we are ready to present to you the companies that propose solutions to the challenge, employing new technology in field optimization. Now, in order to do that, I have Steffan Lindsø, Subsea Robotics Product Manager from Oceaneering with me. Welcome, Steffan.
Thank you, and thank you for having me.
Steffan, you're a member of the ONS Technical Committee, and you are yourself working on employing new subsea technology. Can you explain why this is such an important challenge?
Sure. Subsea, our world of subsea is basically the technology is driven by necessity rather than nice to haves. A long time ago, we went way beyond where we could have manual labor and people involved. So ever since many years ago, we've really just been relying on technology to drive everything that we do forwards.
And when we're looking through, all the suggested solutions that we received, do you think that the industry have the mindset and the will to implement new subsea solutions efficiently? What does it take?
I think so. Ever since the downturn in 2015, there was a huge change in I think that in the way that we approached new technology development and how we implemented it. And unfortunately, that hasn't stopped since. One of the things that this forum does is that in order to implement technology, you really need some user experience, and you need to share that. So the technical committee and the sharing of these new inventions, the user experiences, really just drives hopefully a faster pace and further sort of implementation of new technologies that we otherwise wouldn't be able to see.
And that's good to hear. So, but together with your colleagues in the ONS Technical Committee, you have selected some technical solutions that our viewers will soon be able to see. What do you think of the proposed solutions?
I think what we saw was really exciting. We had a large amount of prospects coming in, and we can really categorize them into two different things. We could categorize them into things that helped the industry getting access in better ways without, basically with more technology, less people interaction and all of that. And we also found a lot of applicants coming in with methods to gather more data and analyze that. So it's both on the intervention sort of mechanical side and also on the sort of data gathering and how to optimize that through that. And what I thought was great about this is that none of those were competing against each other. It was always, if you could look at this sort of large array of different solutions, all of them, you could pick all of them really, and you can use them all to optimize what you were doing. There weren't any sort of competitive in that. I thought that was really exciting, that you can both look at a sort of mechanical way and also the data way. And that, I think, bodes well for what we will see in the future, because there's so many different ways of doing this. And hopefully all of this we'll see very shortly.
Well, thank you, Steffan, for joining me for this introduction. And to all our viewers, you can now check out the solutions to this challenge on our website, ons.no. There we will also find the contact details to the people and the companies behind the solutions. Please get in touch with them should you have any questions. They will be more than happy to hear from you.